How to lock your commercial door. Let's take a look. This is an entry function lock. Right now the lock is unlocked. If we push this and we turn the key, the door remains unlocked. If we push this and turn, the lever never operates, only the latch. Make sure that you do this the right way, because if you leave your office and you go outside and you push and turn this and you do not have a key, you are locked out of the building. So make sure that you just push it, and then once it's open all day. Locksmithblueprint.com. Go check it out. Locks Made Simple. Make sure to subscribe right here in the comments. Have you ever seen this? Have you ever locked yourself out of one of these locks? We all have. Moral of this story, if you are going to go in and out of this lock all day, just make sure to push the button. It's locked once you walk in the morning and turn your key, assuming you can get your key in. Left-handed, sorry. Once you get that key in, it pops that, and you're open all day.